Warning, loud noises.
Okay, class. So please turn on your computers. Caillou, you are not supposed to have a computer without my permission. That's it. It's time to destroy it. Good. Your computer is now destroyed. For without getting my permission.
Oh, Miss Martin. How dare you destroy my computer? That's big. I am telling the principal.
Oh no 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 no.
Man, what a great day.
Miss Clementine.
Oh, hey Caillou. What is the issue with this? Is classic Caillou belying you again?
No. Because Miss Martin has destroyed my computer and she said that not allow I use without Miss Martin's permission.
Wow. That's horrible. Well Caillou. Go back to class while I deal Miss Martin. Miss Martin, Miss Martin, Miss Martin, Miss Martin, Miss Martin, Miss Martin. Get over here right now 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 now.
Uh-oh.
Miss Martin. How motherfucking dare you destroy Caillou's computer and you said without your permission. That's it. You are so fired 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 for eternity. Go home. Miss Martin such as a bad girl.